go to 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, go to 21. Oh, we can't go to any of them. Try one, I guess. So I guess this is the second set of elevators here. I'm just going to get off at 15.